Today I want to introduce Siglent's new SDS1000X series Super Phosphor Oscilloscope. The performance and value of the SDS1000X series makes it stand alone alongside of similar oscilloscopes of its class. The SDS1000X uses a new generation of SPO technology that has excellent signal fidelity. Its background noise is lower than similar products in the industry. The minimum vertical input range is 500 microvolt per division. The SDS1000X has a capture waveform rate up to 60,000 waveforms per second. At this rate, the oscilloscope can easily capture the unusual or low probability events. By using hardware-based zoom technology and setting the record length up to 14 megapoints, users are able to use high sampling rate to capture more of the signal, and then quickly zoom in to focus on the area of interest. The SDS1000X also uses an innovative digital trigger system with high sensitivity and low jitter. This system limits trigger jitter to less than 100 picoseconds. The SDS1000X has a 256 intensity grading and color temperature display. SPO display technology provides for fast refresh rates, and the resulting intensity grade trace is brighter for more often occurring display points and dimmer in less often occurring points. The most commonly used functions are accessible using 10 different one-button operation keys, including zoom, roll, print, persist, measure, history, default setup, cursors, clear sweep, and auto setup. The SDS1000X has 36 automatic measurement functions and supports statistical calculations. It supports gating measurement, history measurement, reference measurement, and math measurement. By playing back waveforms captured in history, you can quickly locate the source of any abnormal event by using the cursor or measurement parameters. The SDS1000X also has a sequence function, which will store the waveform into multiple memory segments. Each segment stores both the triggered waveform and dead time information. It is also equipped with an 8-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 800 by 480. The display range has an 8x14 grid, providing an outstanding visual experience. This has been a demonstration of the SDS1000X series Super Phosphor Oscilloscope, designed by Siglent.